Romeo. Wow. Oh, that's gross. That's so gross, bud. You think that's funny? Yeah? Wow. What do you say? No. Ew. Ew. Oh, Romeo. And that's Shrekky. Shrek's so loud. Isn't he? Shrek's so loud. Where is he? What's he doing? Oh. Hey, Romeo. I love you. Romeo, I love you. Look at. Kisses, kisses. Seriously. That's not funny. That's not. Come here. I know. I love it how you say that now. Come here is the newest word. Wow. Come on. Now, we need manners. When you burp, when you belch, no, you say, excuse me. Can you say, excuse me? Excuse me. Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Oh, I know I love you too. That was so nice. Thank you. Thank you. Is that how you show me you love me?